This is the first core topic, loss of indices. Extra hard level. So simplifying x to the power 20 times y to the power 13 over bracket x to the power 5 times y to the power 6. And express your answer with positive indices. Okay, first of all, copy down the question. So over x to the power 5 times y, bracket to the power 6. So first step, when we see bracket, we need to remove the bracket first. So x to the power 20 times y to the power 13 over, how to remove the bracket? We are applying the following loss of indices. A times b inside the bracket to the power n. So we will have a to the power n, b to the power n. So we have x to the power 5, then to the power 6, times y to the power 1, then power 6. So we can separate each part inside the bracket. So x to the power 20, y to the power 13 on the top. And at the bottom, we still have a to the power m, bracket to the power n. So we can apply a to the power m times n. So here, x to the power 5, bracket to the power 6, we can have x to the power 5 times 6 times y to the power 1 times 6. Okay, 1 is hidden, so 1 times 6. So here we have x to the power 20 times y to the power 13 over x to the power 5 times 6, which is 30, y to the power 1 times 6, which is 6. Now, for the same base, we can group the power together. So for the first part, let me shape it for you. X to the power 20, x to the power 30. So you can combine them, which is x to the power 20 minus 30. We just apply a to the power m over a to the power n, so which is a to the power m minus n. And the other part, same base y here. So y to the power 13 over y to the power 6. We apply the same skill, so we have times y to the power 13 minus 6. So what do we have? 20 minus 30, which is negative 10. 13 minus 6, which is 7. Okay, so for the negative power, we apply a to the power negative n equal to 1 over a to the power n. So here we have y to the power, So we have 1 over x to the power 10 times y to the power 7. So the final answer, 1 times y to the power 7, which is y to the power 7 on the top over x to the power 10. So that's it. Okay, don't mix up.